To invite new students, start by going to your account page. You can find this option in the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Once on your account page, click on Students and Groups to manage your student roster. Next, click on Invite Student to begin the student invitation process. Here, you'll need to provide the student's name and email address. It's crucial to use the same email address the student will use to create their Slingui account. If the student has already created their account, ensure you enter the same email address they used during registration. After entering the student's information, Slingui will generate an invitation link. You can easily share this link with your student. However, it's worth noting that instead of using the invitation link, students may simply create an account on Slingui using the same email address you've provided. This will also allow them to receive the invitation. Either using the invitation link or creating an account on Slingui using the same email address, students will go through an onboarding process. During this onboarding, they will be presented with the teacher's invitation. By accepting the invitation, students gain access to all the resources and features you've shared with them. They can participate in exercises, access files, and engage with you through the virtual classroom.